My name is Piero Vitelli, and I am a freelance presenter, facilitator and coach, focusing on interaction in the personal and professional settings. Since 1995, I have created and delivered training workshops, coaching sessions, residential courses and corporate events in the business and educational sectors. Now, like so many people, the way in which I work has had to change due to COVID-19. And since March of 2020, I have developed a way of connecting with clients online to deliver my work in a manner that retains its style, energy, and effectiveness. If a training event is to be more than just a recital of bullet points, if it is to engage its audience and provide an opportunity to personalize its content, and if it should create a momentum for lasting change, then, by definition, it is a performance, a piece of theatre, and it should be scripted in design, rehearsed in delivery, and improvised in the moment. The online world of workshops and seminars on Zoom, Teams, WebEx and so many others means that a range of technical options can now be drawn on to give this new method of delivery a much greater potential. Video trailers can be quickly produced for specific workshops, raising awareness of what is on offer and giving a preview of the style in which it will be delivered. This, along with a more traditional description, will give participants a clearer idea of what they can expect during the workshop and what the outcomes from it might be. Once they have signed up to attend, online applications like Padlet can be used to engage participants with details of the workshop content. It can provide a secure space in which they can meet each other and exchange ideas, perhaps offering them a chance to ask topical questions or even influence particulars of the design, and all this days, if not weeks beforehand. That way, they will arrive at the workshop already familiar with its landscape, and this will minimize the inhibitions that are always present when strangers meet for the first time. If it uses a design that blends plenary sessions with breakout groups, and applications like Mentimeter and Mural to gather and share thoughts or ideas in real time, an online workshop will faithfully produce a remote version of its original. But by then adding animations made with software like Doodly to provide a variety in the manner of delivery, and creatively using Dropbox or Google Drive to stage virtual versions of experiential exercises, an online workshop can start to differentiate itself from face-to-face ones. Clear water between them is created by the simple fact that in no other setting can a presenter make simultaneous eye contact with everyone in the audience. And finally, perhaps crucially, the technology itself creates the most level playing field possible on which the vocal participant can be prevented from dominating. The hesitant one will find it easier to access equal airtime, and the disgruntled one is denied the playground of the back row for their disruptive microaggressions. Add all this to the fact that the workshop can be accessed from anywhere in the world and recorded for reference or future use, then it is impossible not to conclude that live online training is here to stay, and on its own merit. Since March, I have adapted, developed and delivered online workshops on a range of topics, including presentation skills, networking, voice and vocal control, teamworking, preferences and confidence, and have welcomed to them people from all 5 continents. If you'd like to explore how my work can support the professional development needs of your organisation, your team, or you, then please do get in touch. I'd welcome the chance to meet you and have a conversation about how to make the remote feel less distant.